In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily add Instagram post to your story. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys. So let's get started, and first off, open up Instagram app. And then if we want to share someone's or our own post to Instagram story, we just need to search that post, and once we find one we would like to share, just tap at this airplane icon, and then right here you can easily find add to story. Just tap on it, and after that you will be able to edit that story. You can change the background color in this way. You can resize that video or maybe photo in your case, just like that. You can add there some text, some stickers, and all the stuff you usually use to create your story. Once you've done with that, you can tap at arrow icon to share this story. That's how you can easily add Instagram post to your story. Now you can write down in the comments below if you have any questions about that tutorial. Hit the like button if you like that video, and see you in the next one.